will love these series. Please react to this. And if you like the second part, which I will post below, love your videos, Joe. Hey, you the GOAT, baby. You the GOAT, baby.
I'm down to do a camping.
What I miss right here? Why is it like half viewed? Oh, I think one time somebody told me that it sends, if somebody like sends the video, it'll go from like where they view the video. So that might be it.
On a little helicopter trip. If Evan was here, I know what joke he'd be making.
Kobe.
Oh, wow.
Is that what he was going to say?
Wow, was not expecting that one from you. All right.
You set it up. I wasn't thinking it.
You
set it up. What?
Okay, another basketball reference. All right, welcome to Puff Corp Island.
In my helicopter, I got Fisheye and Kelvin.
Oh. I think we're all experiencing this at different times. I'm going through something right now.
I'm going through something right now.
Virginia Puffin.
How's it going over there, Brock? You having a nice little helicopter trip as well?
Guys, I don't want to be the racist guy, but I'm hanging from a tree right now.
This is fun.
Oh, glad. Can you cut me
I
down?
don't want to be the racist guy.
I think I think you can do it yourself.
I'm gonna call my yellow backpack Evan because I have to carry it from there.
That's hella racist.
Wow.
Hella racist.
What? Well, I'm just saying I just have to carry him like.
Wow.
Just because the
What's
backpack's
wrong?
yellow? Oh my gosh.
Hey, Brian, I got your back. Don't worry.
Brian.
Here's a good joke. Here's a good joke.
I got your back.
So you
dude.
said
So this is Kelvin. We go up to Kelvin and we can hit E on him and then ask him to collect stuff. He can fish.
Shit, it is hella late, man. It might just be me and you vibing out, gangy.
He's our white slave.
Oh, you'd have more to say about that one, Marcel.
I'm going to kill this deer.
I was hoping he would respond. He was totally down with that. He was like, about time.
I'm down to have a white slave. What's up?
Oh, God, there it
How are you
is.
supposed to work like that?
Oh, no. Oh.
Depending on who you ask, it actually did happen like
Which you
that.
can then build a base on.
Oh, nice.
So you can carry those logs and build bases with it.
I hope that doesn't land on my head.
Wait, you get rid of my house?
No.
Were you building
Yeah,
it? That
build
wasn't, you weren't building a house.
No.
You were building stairs.
Oh, Nogla got rid of it.
No, I was building a house. I pressed build house.
It wasn't a house. It was stairs. Hold on. Let me put a house down.
It was a hunting tent.
It was a tent,
hunting
Nogla.
tent?
Yeah,
It was a hunting tent.
It was a hunting tent.
I thought
saw
you
it.
played this game before, Nola. You're not seeming very knowledgeable, am I right?
Kelvin's
All
more
right.
than
Go get a
Nogla,
gun
by the
right
way.
now
Just
and
saying,
kill him.
My boy is
Kelvin's more
flipping through
helpful.
that book,
So you can do
bro.
what now?
I can go get a gun and kill you right now. Is that what you want?
Let's you put my hunting tent back?
Yeah, I said that I didn't want Kelvin on our team. I wanted Fahrenheit on our team, but
Oh, wow. A temperature joke. What
I
a
get it.
guy.
I saved
What
the
a
game.
guy. You can tell someone's educated
All right.
when they know what Kelvins are.
This is a four-bedroom apartment in New
get
York.
Sorry, I'm schmack.
So this is very good. Like I said, if we ever have multiple groups, we can just talk to each other in game. Like, yeah, it's kind of funny.
It's kind of funny.
Brian, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you twice, Brock.
Hello, hello,
You guys sound
Hello.
like really British.
Hello, fellas.
hello.
Nogla, would you like to join us in game?
Nogla,
He's coming.
Whoa.
Nogla,
Is this
He's
working?
figuring it out.
Is this thing working?
Yeah.
Is this working?
Hello.
You're
Hello?
coming in.
hello.
Hello, is this working?
Good to hear you.
Are you here for the British explorers?
Yeah, I'm here to colonize. You know me.
Hey!
All right, I think I
Very
heard some
good.
blacks over here. This way in the bush.
Good job, Kelvin.
That's the.
No comment.
Okay,
Hey,
well,
what? I
we
think I
can
heard
start
some blacks
exploring.
over here.
I'll bring
I
you
think
guys to
we
some
go.
cool places and stuff. I can bring you guys
the
around.
helicopter-
You're a bit of a
so-
tour guide.
Is there any?
Okay.
Is there any weapons I can make?
No, you
spear?
can't.
Yes.
Yeah, you can
Where,
make
where,
a
how?
Sticks. So let's grab some sticks. Good idea.
Rocks with other stuff like that. I
Problem.
like Moo. I like how the dads are already on the grill, dude.
You just need your socks.
Oh,
You
yeah,
need
yeah,
the, you need the
New
tall.
New
You need the
Balance, New
Skechers,
Balance,
New
bro,
Balance
that's
shoes,
it.
the
Don't-
tall
don't
socks,
tell
and
me
the
how to be a
shorts.
dad.
Cooking some fish there, huh? Oh, nice. Yeah. What kind of
Which one?
fuel you got there?
medium
Is that
rare?
wood? Is that that's wood?
Is that wood?
Okay, nice.
Yeah, this is.
Uh-huh.
We combine this.
What kind of fuel we got
Okay,
there?
so we're gonna have.
I love how
Wait, I don't
Marcel
have any duct
actually
tape.
always
Duct
tries to
tape
like
in some
play
of these
these games
containers.
while everybody else is
Kelvin
just
to
fucking
get
around.
sticks and fill the holder, Brian. That's actually huge.
You didn't know that? Yes. That's why you build the holders. So you tell them to fill them up. That's why I do it.
Is that
with
how
all
they
of
used to
them.
kill birds back in the
Yeah, so
day?
go around, Marcel, to all these different containers.
Shit.
For stuff. when you get duct tape, you can make. Oh, what's this? Yeah, we can
Okay,
make.
well, I think I'll bring the guys to some really good spots, Brian. I think that's the best thing to do.
I don't know what I just ate, but I ate something. I think I'm eating rocks.
C4.
You can't
break?
eat rocks.
Yeah.
You don't get C4, but you get timed bombs, which is kind of like C4.
Ooh, mushrooms.
Duct tape.
There you
Duct
go.
tape is
Now,
good.
Should get a little drunk. Make sure your mama knows that it's sicker. So, I got. I don't even know what this is. Is this some Taka? Who got this? I don't know who got this. I got the Celsius lemonade or watermelon. I'm gonna just pour this straight into a can. Couple shots of that in there. Oh, like at the top. Oh god. Oh god. Napkin. Oh, please have one. Yes. Save the day. Napkin powers activate. All right. Soak that up like your mom used to back in college. Put another shot in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna get my pussy nice and ripe. And then I'll add a little bit of spritz of some more watermelon in there just for some flavor, you know? The Celsius already tastes like fucking nothing to begin with, so maybe this'll get me lit. This'll get me lit tight right. Hold on. There's a baby about to kill me? What do you mean? I don't have any babies in here. Why did I look around? Oh god.
Good, yeah.
Okay, so now you can make a spear. So you
Should
get
I
two.
eat some?
Yep, I got
The
it.
best thing to eat is like
Ooh.
meat, to be honest, Brock. Everything else is eh.
I gotta see this. I gotta see
Okay.
this.
Hold up. Stop. And listen, this is important. Wildcat is trying to reach 10 million subscribers before me, and I can't let that happen. 28% of you are not subscribed. That is bad. So here's how you fix it. Bing, bing, boop, bop, bop. And now that you've done that, thank you, and back to the video.
Wait, am I late?
Oh, yeah, you are.
No, we haven't left spawn, so we were kind of waiting for you.
We were just about
So
to
if
leave
you-
spawn. You got lucky.
So if you
You got lucky.
so if you join now,
Okay,
we're
okay.
literally where you're gonna spawn, so it's fine.
But was this not the time?
No, you're
it was
correct
an
on the
hour
time.
earlier.
No, it's no. Don't listen to him. You're.
He
right
didn't
on the
read
time.
chat. He didn't read chat.
It's fine, but the sign up that he fucking agreed to was at this time.
It was at yesterday, too.
I'm making a spear.
Yo, no lame shit, bro.
Hey, how are you?
That's cultural appropriation, Marcel. You're supposed to give them diseases they never recover from.
Well, first of all, I'm kind of Native American, so eat my.
Oh my god.
Oh my God! I can see.
I'm kind of Native
Wow,
American.
Looky there.
You are thirsty. Get some water in, bitch. Where the hell is that?
Hey!
I can. Oh, there is a hole. There is a hole.
There's a hole.
Right here.
No, he's like, oh, I know. Oh,
I know. I
Is
actually.
this from the? Oh, it's the helicopter.
I actually
crash.
do.
yeah,
I
so
actually.
it's
There
lit.
will be.
Yeah.
There will be a hole later for you,
Yeah,
Marcel.
so-
There will be a hole.
Guys, I got squirrel meat.
oh, look at
Nice.
this.
That's good.
Oh,
So you gotta cook
and we
that in the
protect
fire.
the fire,
Nice.
and then light it.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. That's a
Look at
great
this.
job. This
Look
is
smart.
at
very
this,
nice.
fellas.
Look at me, guys. Look at me. I'm surviving.
We're doing
I'm
it.
surviving.
Oh my god. Oh my
Wait, I'm
god.
eating squirrel meat.
It's not
Nice.
cooked yet.
It's not cooked yet.
Dude,
you
he's just Liver King,
my
dude.
squirrel.
Man,
How do I put it
respect
on
it.
there?
nice.
I wanna.
Oh, pills. I'm gonna take
go,
those.
Yeah,
How
go
do I-
around to all the boxes around here and
we
loot.
go?
Get all the loot.
Okay, I'm making a nice little area based off of all the logs that we've gotten, because there's
I'm
a
stupid.
lot. So I want to make a nice little area
Guys, I got
right
a
here for
king
us.
oyster.
How many?
Yeah,
It
that's
takes
just
20
You actually
logs?
don't get anything from that. You
How
just
many-
eat
how
that
many
if you're
logs do you
feeling
get per
Where's that
tree?
bloody deer?
That's it.
Waka's just throwing himself
Oh!
into it.
Give me your flame.
Wait a
Like
second.
a
Wait.
for my
toddler into a
ADHD.
pool, dude.
Yeah.
And Tyler is fucking watching. Oh, bloody deer!
Brock,
good for my
Brock,
ADHD.
what is this? This looks sick.
Slow down,
Nice.
you
Put that down.
piece of shit. Come here.
I've been working really hard on it.
Oh, a big spider.
I've been working really hard on it. Is that just gonna knock the house over?
Getting us all set up.
What's it for ya?
He's hitting it right
Rocks
towards the
are
crib.
collections of rocks.
Get cancel
If we're the sons or for the, where's our daddy?
Oh,
Oh, you're the daddy?
What?
I
Kick him
hated
from the
everything
server.
about that.
from the
Every
server.
part of it.
I didn't mind Daddy, but that following sound was a little too well rehearsed.
Yeah, you've said that more than once, Marcel, for sure.
Have I really?
Oh yeah, you get pegged.
Oh,
I've never been pegged and I don't want to.
So you got really defensive there, Brian. That was a little quick, huh? I think we're onto something.
Hey,
Kind of.
I think we're on to
I
something.
do eat ass, so line up.
That's
there's nothing wrong
one
with
step
that.
away
There's-
from getting
Watch
pegged.
out! Nogla!
Whoa, that was a big tree.
Hey, bro.
That was a big
Damn.
tree.
I want to be on
Holy.
record. I'm down with that. Okay, I'm down
Down
with
with
that.
what?
I
Getting
got you.
pegged?
I got you.
What?
No, eat
No.
ass.
Eating ass, bro. All right.
You know they
Listen, bro.
poop out of there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Oh
wear
my
that.
gosh.
Nah, bro. If y'all are out here licking dingleberries, just don't even, you ain't even gotta fuck with me for real. That's crazy. Like, that's so crazy to me. I literally thought that, like, we were all in on, like, a cool, funny joke. You know what I'm saying? When that first started going crazy, when Shorty was talking about eating a booty like groceries, I was like, oh, man, like, everybody laughed. It was, like, a cool giggle. And then people really started going out and licking asshole. And then dudes started getting on their knees, getting their butt ate. Like, what is going on? It's just...
Wait, what?
Probably what makes it taste so good.
Oh my gosh. Sons of Haram, dude.
seasoning.
Haram. That
You
is
guys-
disgusting. That is haram.
Dude, get me off this Epstein Island. Fuck.
Yeah.
No.
What?
Hey, it's built, boys. It's built.
Hey,
Whatever the hell
nice.
this is. Is this like a little stage for us to do little?
This is I literally made this just because we had wood. Like
This is the ass-eating bungalow right here, baby.
No, bend over, let's eat your ass, dog.
The bungalow. I like it. Yes.
out of here. Everybody,
No,
I
bend
think
over,
we're all
let's eat
good.
your ass, dog.
If y'all feel adjusted with the controls, I'm ready to be your escort.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
Epstein
Wait,
Island.
wait. I thought you eat ass. What's going on?
I'm one of those escorts
Guys,
that
there's
like
meat
stomps
here
on
if
your
you need
balls, Marcel.
What?
I mean, I'm trying to eat your meat. What's up?
Fuck! Ow!
Get in the water. Get in the water.
Oh, son of a-
There's a bunny on our house. Go, bunny.
Oh, yeah. Wait. I got it. Oh.
Oh, he did.
Killed it.
You
Oh,
squirrel.
he did.
Guys, this makes me want to go do this in real life. This looks fun.
Killing rabbits. Yeah.
No, just surviving with my friend. Oh, are we missing a log back here?
I'm
Why does
down.
that look
I'm
like
down
it's
to do a
broken?
camping vlog, Vanoss crew, dude. That'd be fucking amazing.
Oh, can I be Wings of Redemption?
Just so you know, I have a
down.
property. We could do that.
He does.
Pretty funny.
I'm down to go
property.
glamping.
No, I don't want to do no gay shit.
I want to do glamping.
Marcel would
Don't
be the
ever
guy
say
that
word
looks
again,
for.
please.
You kill this rabbit?
Look at Kelvin
Yeah, earlier.
relaxing, Brian. Look where Kelvin. I told Kelvin to relax. Look what he did.
Yeah, is he just chilling? Look at this
yeah,
guy.
look where he's chilling.
Yeah, look at this guy. Yeah. He's like,
my God,
he's
man.
like smiling. He's smiling.
Why
like,
is he so fucked up? What has he been doing?
He's deaf.
No, but I think Marcel hit him.
Oh, no, I beat him with a rock. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
all right,
that's
Brock
bad.
beat
Kelvin
him.
takes a lot
Sorry.
of
Yeah,
punishment.
damn, what did he do wrong?
I had to fish fast enough.
There's one right here. Okay, we ready? We ready for
Wait,
an
should I
adventure?
empty my inventory or get my
No,
inventory's
no,
probably
keep
not.
all your inventory, but put all your rocks
Now,
and
how
sticks
do
away.
I
Put your rocks and sticks away, but
collect?
What do you mean put them away? Where do I put them?
here in these holders that have sticks and rocks in them, right in front of you. So
What is
I'm
utility?
gonna do a quick run through
I
on
think I
just
did
basic
utility.
things you guys need to know. M is for the GPS. If you tap in with your middle scroll wheel, it allows you to go in and out. B is for your book. So that's important to know. I is for your inventory, but if you hold
Tab.
it pulls out your backpack where you can take things out quicker.
If you pick up your spear
Oh,
and
wait,
right click
L-
and aim at Nogla.
Don't fucking throw it, you retard. L is
Don't
for,
with your axe blocks.
Yeah.
yeah, right click. L is for your light. So when we get in the cave, you'll need your light. That's L.
Oh,
So
I like that.
we're gonna head
Okay.
into a cave that's right next to our base. Down here.
Oh, a little bit of cave action already.
Yeah, straight into the cave
Guys,
now.
I already
That's
forgot how to
working.
do anything with my inventory.
That's okay too. All right, so let's head into
Guys,
the cave,
I already
gentlemen.
forgot how to open
We
my
all need to be
backpack.
pretty
do it.
on our game here. You got to hold E on the entrance there, Marcel, to get in.
What do you like? Get like
Very
like
cool.
core,
It's not
like
working.
ore or something out of here?
You're
Like
not
you
looking
mine
at it
extra
correctly.
stuff
You're
or something?
doing something wrong.
Where am I supposed to be looking?
You're supposed to be looking at the cave.
There's wood at the bottom there.
Look,
you can
yeah,
do
now
it.
you can
Right
go
in
on.
the
Yeah,
cave
there's a bit of
ussy.
wood
Look
left.
right in the cave ussy.
Oh,
Yeah,
we're going
yeah,
to the
guys.
OC, dog. Oh, I'm lagging. 5 frames per second.
Ah, my eyes! Ah!
It's blue.
Okay, you're fine. Now pull out your lights, gentlemen. This is going to be our
How do you do
first
that? How do
case.
you
Is this a scary game?
What's
Yes.
down here? Oh,
I'm
look.
making sure I don't miss anything.
I don't
Oh,
know.
here.
More
I got
balls
some
on the ground.
flares.
Flares
I got
are
some
very
flares.
good.
Let me throw
Oh,
a
I have a
flare.
flare too. I have a flare
I'm gonna
too.
pick up a skull and goes flying.
What is this?
Oh, say hello,
yeah.
gentlemen.
We come in peace.
It's like Mr. Burns, the alien
we
Mr.
come
Burns.
in peace. Oh,
I don't.
Kill it.
Oh, he was just trying to talk.
Kill it now.
there's another
Oh
one.
my God! The other one's attacking.
Naked
Okay, kill
baby.
Get its ankles. Get its ankles. Oh my God! It just
And
started
then
taking.
after
Yo,
you
it just
kill
started
him, you
running
can gut
off.
him.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's going to be a good few here,
Kill the
guys, and
Democrat,
you
kill the
can
Democrat.
die. You can die. Be warned.
Ah, dirty libtard.
Come here, you democratic snowflake.
And there is friendly fire, so just remember that when you're swinging like crazy. What's here?
How do I put this down? I can't put this
Oh,
thing
Brian,
down.
we went down this
Yeah.
way,
It's
Brian,
this
didn't
stuff.
we?
Yeah, let's go
We
back.
need this stuff right here.
Yeah, let's go back.
Brian, how do you get this
As your
stuff?
cave tour guide, I must warn you,
don't
things
know.
are about to get crazy.
I'm not afraid of
Also,
nothing.
as a tour
but-
guide, you cannot break that. It is the hardest material known to man.
Okay. But that's what we need, it said.
Yeah, but believe it or not, we don't need it.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. No, here's the cross.
Oh, let's go, big W.
There's the cross.
collected.
Hold it out, and then a little, oh, and then the power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. That's all it does.
Hey, that's not
That's
all it does, Brian. All right, there's a lot of stuff.
Oh, sorry.
Where are the meds in the inventory?
They're on
right here?
they're on your left. They're on your left. You can see them underneath the meat.
There is something horrific right here.
You can see
Oh
it
my
underneath
God.
the meat.
Hey, what's up, little buddy?
I hear bats.
So, who wants to say hi?
What is that?
I got it.
Why does it have such a big
The
hit?
power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you.
Light
Wait,
this
how do I
sucker
com-
up, Tyler.
I combine it?
Tennessee, Tennessee.
Nashville, baby, give it some of that
This'll
Nashville.
only-
Light
I don't know
this
how to
sucker
combine
up,
it with
Tyler.
anything.
You don't need to combine
I
it.
don't
You
wanna-
just use it.
Look up.
All right, throw it. Throw it at him.
Tennessee.
Motherfucker,
Get out of there!
Kobe,
Get out of there!
bitch.
Get out of there!
You disgusting son of a bitch, you little nasty.
Yeah!
Move your meat. Move your meat.
Move your
That's
meat.
a raw leg.
Yeah, brother.
Raw
Let's
arm.
clear out this Pelosi goddamn cave.
God damn.
Is that too far? Am I getting too into it? Am I
Yeah,
Am I getting too into it?
Sorry,
My
sorry,
bad.
sorry,
A
guys.
little bit,
The thing is, I don't think anybody likes Pelosi, like either side.
Yeah, yeah, you're safe. You're safe on her.
Hi.
Okay,
got
get
another
ready.
local here.
Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it,
I mean,
kill
I-
it.
Oh, there's vodka on the
Flares,
ground.
very nice. Whoever
won't
picked
let
up
me
that
pick
flare,
up
very
too
good.
much.
Did I just see what I think
My
I just saw?
workers are having the
Oh, fellas, look at this! Look, look! It's the OnlyFans monster. Whoa!
Now, don't put your
Look
name
at the
in.
ussy.
For $5.99 a month.
Okay, I will warn
I
you,
wonder
this
what
thing
that
kills
thing
in 2
can
hits.
do.
So, stun gun might be useful here. Yeah, but you
We
gotta
have
also hit it.
We have to make the vagina monster
You guys
squeal.
are doing great. You guys
You'll
are doing
see when the
great.
vagina
Watch it,
monster
watch it.
dies.
There,
There
see?
it is. Oh,
it's squirted.
Oh,
It's
all
squirted.
over
Give me
me.
your vagina
All
lips.
over me. Oh.
We probably gotta stop saying all that.
Yes.
Do we, bro?
Yes.
What's going on here? They put something in a box?
Someone playing Minecraft. It's someone playing Minecraft.
Yeah, they put them in a box. Oh,
Yikes.
babies!
There's little aborted fetuses.
Goddamn
That's right.
liberals and that. This is what happens when you change the
This cave
law.
used to be a Planned Parenthood.
Oh my God. We're getting canceled. We're getting canceled.
All right, make
We
sure
now
to cut
know
the
the
babies up and
origins.
sell their body parts
You're so
to
cute.
celebrities. Nice work, everybody.
Nice work.
Oh my God, they go flying.
I should have worn 2 Jimmys.
Lead the way, Moo.
Hey.
Yeah, it
so
looks
scared.
cool watching Brock with the torch. Looks
Yeah, he
dope.
looks so brave.
He looks so
brave.
not
You're so
scared right
brave,
now.
Brock. So brave. Very unlike you. But keep going. Come on.
Brock,
Don't.
come
Oh, look
on.
at this.
I
I'm
actually have no
running in
time.
front
I
of
have
this
no
dude.
time
I
for
can't
this.
be all day.
I have no time
I
for
can't
this.
be all
Hey,
day.
guy. Watch out. I got this.
Oh.
Only
There's
OnlyFans.
There's several. There's
Run!
We need to back up.
No, just run to the end.
Run to the end. What do you know? What are you talking about?
Run to the end.
You're such a coward. You're such a coward.
Oh.
Who has the stun gun and isn't using it? Huh?
Brian
You have
has
a
one.
stun
I
gun.
have a torch.
I do not have one.
Well, that
I
sounds like
did, I
you,
wouldn't
Brock.
be
What is the point
asking.
of still doing this with these? Am I just getting the same?
What? Yeah, you can put it on as armor. The stuff that we're skinning off of them, go into your inventory, look down to the bottom right, you should see brains. Yeah, put it all over.
Help!
Oh, Marcel's down. Marcel's down.
Oh, nice.
Look who died first, huh?
I'm thirsty.
Look who died first, huh?
Yeah, get me.
Hey, yeah, energy drinks are really good.
Racist.
If you have an energy drink, you should probably drink it right now.
I already did.
Okay, where to,
Chug that
gentlemen?
glitch,
This
right?
cave is deep,
down
dude. When do
here.
we find
It is.
diamonds?
Down
Diamonds
here.
at, man?
Hey guys, what level are we at? What level are we at right
we're
now?
minus 14. We're minus 14.
Minus 14. Okay, okay, because I haven't hit bedrock
Babies! Plan Bs!
Remember, it doesn't work if you're over 120 pounds.
What?
Oh, sea monster.
I don't know if I get that reference.
I didn't get it at all. I hope I didn't.
I got a rope gun.
Oh, very good. We need that. We need that. That's why we came into this cave, pretty much for the rope gun. So what we do here is we
Now we
go
zip
on
line,
the
huh?
rope zip machine. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, see you later.
Woo.
Oh! No!
Oh,
Oh, you're supposed to do that.
I nearly killed myself.
Olsen twins. Olsen twins.
All right, let's go.
If they're up there,
Come on, Marcel, come on.
we don't need to fight them. We don't need to fight them. We can leave. We can leave. We can leave. We can leave. I don't like dealing with those. Hold
No,
on,
you gotta
gentlemen,
fight
you
the Olsen
survived your
twins, bro.
first
That's a
cave.
vibe.
Be proud.
Good
Be
job.
proud.
Well
Easiest
done.
cave of my life.
Round of
Easiest
applause.
cave of my life.
Congratulations.
exiting the caboose.
Strangulations.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. China joke number 422. Hey,
know what I'm
we're
doing.
home, boys. We're home. Woo-wee. Home sweet home. Oh, and look, Kelvin's here to welcome us.
I was about to call him Carl.
Kelvin.
I just want the fish.
Hardy, hardy.
Oh, I didn't mean to eat your food. I'm sorry.
Yeah, can you back the fuck up?
Why
You're still eating my food. Like, I don't understand.
Eat on the fire to cook the food. There we go. Buy food to put in.
I put in 5 pieces of meat, and now I have 3 pieces of meat that are mine.
That leg's
It's
done.
okay, dude. I have more than you can have, man. Relax. Simmer down, dude.
Simmer down,
Check it
dude.
out.
Like what?
Who wants some?
What?
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's not bad. It's got good.
Hey, Kelvin.
No, leave him alone.
Oh,
Leave
yeah,
him alone.
Kelvin
Leave him
alone.
alone.
Leave that
Kelvin,
thing.
skull
Who
fuck
put
him.
the idea in my
Oh,
head?
fuck him.
Hey, Nogla, back here.
What?
Boys. Come here.
Wait, I'm coming. Wait.
Come here. I found a campsite.
Oh, I know this. I know that.
I know that.
Are these locals?
I think so.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
I don't see anyone here.
Yeah, where's
Wait.
the no
Hey, boys!
monkeys?
Monkeys!
Hello?
Boom. Got
Where you
that.
going, you black bastard?
Hey! Hey!
Marcel,
Hey!
dude. I know
Where
we're kind of
you
role playing
black
right now, but that's
bastard?
a little hard, dude.
Wait.
Oh my
Got him,
god!
About time, someone.
Wildcat! I got him, boys.
Bring it to the
Get your
campsite.
ass back. He's climbing a f***ing tree, you back. Get out here.
Sheesh, man, we can't let Marcel outside.
Where you f***ing going? Get your ass back here. Get your ass back here, boy. I swear to God.
What the black guy, the worst
Good
one?
job, Marcel.
Okay.
How do you feel?
I want to show you guys some.
All right, guys, let's start the bidding at 15 shingles.
Hey!
Relax, dude. We're not actually trying to get canceled.
He's
I
talking
do
about a
it.
monkey hide.
I do declare that is a matter fine. Okay, put this.
No.
Now, my specimen's lips are bigger than yours.
Oh my God. Okay, let's just burn them and move on.
Burn the
Let's
evidence.
just
Burn the
burn
evidence.
what?
Burn the
Evidence of
chat.
racism.
Burn,
We
and
throw
move
them in the
on.
water like we did
burn
the
the
ancestors.
Discord comment. Burn
my
the chat
God.
logs. Burn them in
Fine.
there.
The chat
Oh
logs.
my
Burn the
God.
footage. Just burn
Okay.
all of this, dude.
All right, let's burn them.
Oh, I'm
And
gonna
keep in mind
take
you were under
some sanity
NDA.
medication as well while I'm here. All right, careful when you're going down. You
Another
can't
one.
take fall
Don't
damage.
worry about it. Don't worry. He's scared of us. He'll scare you.
lip motherfucker. Come on.
Stop. Let's get to the next objective. Let's get to the next.
Stick the dogs on you.
Fucking hell,
We gotta run
Marcel.
away. We gotta run away.
Marcel, stop, dude, stop.
Mr. Candy.
I'm the first one to be racist, but let's chill.
Mr. Candy. He's running away, Mr. Candy.
Oh my god!
We let this guy have one white slave. One white
Can we
slave, and this is what
We're
happens.
monkeys. Can we fucking make some zoo jokes or something?
I called them
Can we
Schmiegel.
PG-13 this and just make some zoo banana jokes like you do?
Bastard.
Oh God.
That is bad.
Welcome, guys. This is a really important cave. I would like everyone to come here and avoid the previous topic at hand.
Avoid
Come along, guys.
Oh, dude, I can just see all the TikToks and dumb made from this. We're in trouble. Not good.
Oh God.
Marcel, I respect you. You're still in 2014. I respect
I wonder
it,
if it'll
bro.
go viral like the Dorito one. That'll be quite a tangent.
Blue
Dude,
people.
Black History Month is not even over.
It's got 2 more days.
Yeah, that is crazy in
But
February.
by the time this gets uploaded, it will be over. So I think we're
What
chill.
is myself doing?
Yeah, we're good.
We
we're
might
good.
need it.
We're
Yeah,
good.
we might need
We're
an
good.
embargo on this one.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh God.
He's still holding a monkey.
First of all, they're called indigenous people. That's racist.
Off, let's go in the cave. We can't U-turn this.
Well, and the problem is when he has a big head and the way they walked.
What? Are you saying that all black people have big heads?
No, this one big head. Kills me so I can be done. I'm just saying why we said monkey. Look like the oh god, there's no good way. I'm out. What?
This isn't even a cave.
What is this?
Welcome.
Like someone's server room.
Yeah.
This is a really good spot.
Welcome to the home of Elon Musk.
Wait, what the f is this?
What?
How is
No.
this just in here?
Because the story of this island.
Why can't we just take the printer back with?
Wait, you all already knew this was here?
don't have-
Plug it in where,
Yeah, we
Marcel?
don't
knew
have
this was here all the
electricity.
time.
Plug it into my ass, Brock.
Oh my God.
I can't. I'm too busy eating it.
Eating it.
Oh, come on, guys. Can we go back to the racism? Can we go back to the racism?
We go back to the racism.
Yeah, it's already over.
Yeah, we're on the way
After
out
this
now.
video,
I saw that Twitter indie drama,
hey,
dude.
Tyler, they got microscopes. We can look at your. Go over here.
You can look at the amount of.
Where's my
views my
flask?
videos
I want a
get.
flask. There we go. That's
Don't be
mine.
driving
I
yourself
didn't get
up.
one. I still don't have one.
That's okay.
Who picked
Sucks
that
to suck.
flask up?
It is mine. I needed one.
I just
you
filled up
already
printer
took one
ink. What a
earlier. You have
waste.
Oh, I did. I took arrows, you dumb.
Someone took.
I have one flask in my inventory.
I don't
have
have
vodka.
Do I?
Up.
Yeah, let's get
Fuck, how is this
vodka
only
for
for
weed.
wood, bro? What
Fire
the
weed
fuck?
for
You get
vodka.
batteries on the ground. They're really important.
Is it a white mask? Now we can really mess with the local indigenous people.
Okay.
Wait, there's hella
It
arrows
appears to
over
be
here.
red.
What is he
I went
saying?
away for like a minute.
Let's see.
no.
Make a white hood.
Okay, relax, guys.
I literally said that in my
Relax.
brain.
Relax, guys. We're not
Oh,
gonna...
look at this.
It's a red
Okay,
mask. It's a
so-
red mask.
Dang.
Yeah, that's good. The red mask is good. Red face.
Who cut my eye hole?
Yeah, this is my mask. This is my mask.
How do I put it on?
Sons of the Forest, but Marcel's just racist.
Dude, it's so
Sons
I
of
can't
the
say goddamn anything in this goddamn.
goddamn liberal censorship.
I can't say shit. Where my freedom of right? I can't see shit. I can't breathe. Goddamn.
I can't wear
Wearing
them all.
a mask. I get
I
it
don't
now.
know nobody that got COVID. I can't see a goddamn thing out here.
Plandemic.
Boogie boogie. Boogie boogie. Boogie boogie.
Wait, you just
know,
put it inside your
The
face.
funny thing about it, Marcel, that
Yeah.
mask is used to scare indigenous people.
Boogie boogie.
So you're not too
When
far
is this
off.
game getting canceled? Hold on, I gotta turn off big head mode.
This character is putting it up to his face too.
Yeah, I gotta turn. I'm turning off big head mode.
Boogie.
Yeah, I need to do that.
Do it.
Boogie, boogie.
Let's talk about Chinese people
No.
with their kung fu and their silly ching chang talk.
Oh, fuck.
We can't understand
It's
you.
lost
Go
the
back to your own
plot.
country.
Oh, dude, I can't go.
Dave Chappelle.
Oh, I don't actually these things.
It's
It's
fine.
Dave Chappelle.
We all work for an Asian man named Vanoss.
Yeah, I'm
We're
dropping this.
gonna head out over to this boat, gentlemen. What is this boat?
My heart, bro. I can't
It
take
is in
it.
ship,
I
but
can't
boats
take
and
it. I
boats.
can't. I
Okay, the
can't do
shark never attacked me, guys. I think it's safe.
Yeah,
They got a turtle shell.
I'm covered in meat, and he's definitely a vegan shark.
You're fine. Once you're in, dude. Boom, there it is. GPS locator, excellent, dude, excellent. Oh yeah, Brian.
Oh, here we go.
Nice. Wildcat, I have a gun, and you do not.
I want one.
Shoot him as he's climbing.
Don't shoot me, you fucker. I can barely get up here, goddammit.
Holy shark! Oh, shark!
Give me the gun.
All right,
Here we go.
I'm up here, brother.
Howdy doody.
Howdy doody.
Hey, what's going on? Coming in. Oh, watch out. Make room. Make room. Scoot over.
Oh my god!
That did no damage to you. You put it.
Shark!
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
I think I just killed it.
Dude, relax.
I just killed it, I think. I killed it. I killed it. I'm skinning him.
It's right there.
It's right here. He's dead. I killed him.
You killed the shark?
Oh my god, he killed the fucking shark.
I can't fucking milk him or whatever, though. I can't
There's another shark.
I can't
milk
shark.
him.
It doesn't do anything.
No, I saw
What was
the
the
option.
point of him existing then?
I saw the option for a sec.
I saw it on the bird, not the shark.
I see a guy over here.
Oh, wait, that's a woman. That's a woman.
Wait.
That's a woman.
Hey, how are you? Excuse me, ma'am.
Be nice. Be nice. Put your guns away, guys. Put your guns away.
Marcel, brace yourself.
Put your
She's
guns
got
away.
3 arms. She's got a bunch of legs.
Two titties.
Two titties.
And 2 asses.
2 titties.
She's popping cuts.
She's the
Oh
lady
my
of
God.
my
I'm
dreams.
scared.
We are being nice. What do you want us to do?
5 men
Tie her
chasing
up.
a woman
How
in
do
the
we
wilderness.
tie her
Oh my
up?
god!
Tie her
Tie
She
her up.
didn't run.
Come on, guys.
Oh my god!
Oh, look at how nice that is. I'll tell you what,
Oh
boys.
my
I haven't had this much fun playing a game with you guys in probably 5 years.
Aw, thanks, Nogla.
Guys, the Vanoss crew is back.
Without Vanoss.
Without Vanoss.
Dude, we
Just
might be
without
better. We
Vanoss.
might be better off. We've got a new Asian guy, and he's way more racist. Don't need him
As long as
no
we
more.
still have one minority, we're chilling.
I love Basically I'm Asian. He's my favorite.
I love basically I'm Asian.
Basically,
He's
I'm
my
Vanoss.
favorite member.
Yeah, but, so wait, you guys are starting over again with Vanoss?
No, we'll build on this
What?
island. We'll build
No,
on this one.
Him. No.
No.
He fucking joined and no.
Yeah, no, not a chance.
Where'd you
Not
find
a
this
chance.
Kelvin guy, huh? What's his
I bet they
story?
He
restart. I
crashed
bet
with
they
us.
restart,
He crashed
bro.
with us.
Yeah,
became
he's
deaf and
homie.
retarded.
Whoa, Nogla. You're getting
I don't know. I
handsome.
felt like that was
That's
pretty
too far.
timid. I felt like that was pretty damn
No.
timid
No.
compared to
We
everything
edited
else.
that part out. We edited that out.
Yeah,
He
what
just
the
looks like a bad
fuck?
person.
That's what I arrived at. My version is very different.
All right, boys. GG's.
JJ's, gentlemen.
What do you mean you
JJ.
have the eye?
Oh, mood disconnected, so it disconnected our games.
Oh,
did
sorry, I forgot.
everyone save?
That's alright.
Did
Hold on,
everyone
I
safe? Oh, dude, that's fucking amazing, bro. I thank you so much for putting me onto that, gang. You're the best, man. Oh my god, I'm gonna give you the.